G'day everyone, it's Chris O the Skippy. With this bathroom, I've just put in the waste. That is the best thing. You can put it in straight away, holds it nice and flush, instead of coming back and putting it in with grout. I used to put it in with grout and then you'd have a nice tight fit, and half the time you'd end up chipping the tile, and that's just as you're finishing off, and nothing brasses you off, you know, than when you chip a tile and you're on your last day to finish the job and you've got to take up a tile because you've chipped it. Put it in as you go. DIYs, put it in as you go. With this here, with my aluminium, that is the best way to waterproof. And then all I do here is I fill that with glue or mud and put a piece of flat bar at the front, and water will never come out of there. See my aluminium there? Water will never come out of my shower. But if it does, which it won't, but if it ever did, this stops it here. And then with a piece of flat bar aluminium, and they're going to have the wooden plank out here on the main floor. It can just run into there nicely. So that's basically it. DIYs, we'll pop these in. And then I'll have this floor done. I'll do the walls on Monday. I've already showed you this before. Take away your glue from the edge, and then the chance of getting glue in your grout lines is minimized. Throw in some clips. Like that. I've mitered the edge that goes against the aluminium just so I get a nice crisp grout line. Nice. The glass will come to about here, and then it's just a walk-in shower. Nice. All the same level. Beautiful. Okay, we'll see ya. Hopefully I've showed you a couple of tips and tricks in that small video. Thanks people. See you soon. Bye.